everyone, my name is Miles and welcome back to another video on the channel. So today I'm going to be taking you through my summer apartment tour. Essentially, this is where I've been staying for the entire summer, and I've been documenting my journey, especially where I've been living, more specifically on this channel, for many years now. So I'm like, you know what, let's do it again, and hope you guys all enjoy. Let's go. All right, so let's get right into the tour. So essentially, you see your standard door as you walk in, little exit sign just in case you forget where the exit is. And initially you're brought into the kitchen. Now the kitchen is extremely nice. It's pretty standard. You have your 4 seats over here, countertop area, excuse a little bit of the mess, and then your fridge, lots of cupboard space, super efficient, and overall not too bad for a kitchen. So now as we trickle over here, this is a storage closet. So essentially you can store all your belongings. So it's a 2-bedroom apartment, so the other roommate will be over here. Thankfully this summer I was able to stay in this space by myself, so currently nobody is here. But if you are living in this space, then you can have a roommate. Super nice over here, and some of the things comes fully furnished. You got this living area. So this couch was additional, but all the other stuff comes with the place. An additional chair here as well. You have this built-in flat screen TV. Cool. Normally, sometimes you can hook up HDMI, as I was doing before. But one of the best selling features of this apartment, and what makes it really stand out to me, is the view. You have to check it out. So yeah, that view is absolutely incredible, especially because I'm very high up on the floors. You get a nice aerial view. You have a beautiful view of a lot of the building structures, a lot of trees. It's just something really pleasant to look at, especially in the morning. And this looks amazing in the daytime, but also especially in the nighttime as well. So as we come over here to the other part of the room, this is the other bedroom area. It's all entered by like key card access, which is kind of cool. And the first thing you're gonna see instantly is the view again. This one is absolutely beautiful as well. Similar to the other living space view. I've arranged a light here, and typically in the nighttime it comes off a lot nicer, as well as the desk area. So this is where your boy is doing a lot of his day-to-day work. Now, I'm only staying in this apartment for the summer, so it's not my permanent living space. So I do pack up and leave quite often, and the entire apartment is pretty empty. But for the summer, it's served me really, really well. So over here is your bed, and I know what you're probably all gonna think, like, dude, your bed's not finished or whatever, but this is how I've been sleeping, and it's been doing the job. So as we come over here, this is the closet space, and pretty standard. It's nice. You got a lot of room for your closet. It's a different style of concept where it's not a single room. It's almost like in the hallway. And then over here, you have your other areas for your closet. Mine right now is a mess. We have the bathroom area, and the bathroom area is pretty standard. You have your built-in shower. It's where I keep a lot of my towels. One of my favorite things is this beautiful rug, reminding yourself that you do look good. And the sink. Bathroom also comes with some additional storage here. And that's pretty much it in terms of the overall apartment and the aesthetic. It's really good. Obviously, it's a 2-bedroom apartment, nothing massive, but it does the job. And like I said before, living here by myself, going to work, absolutely solid. It kept me focused and locked in for the summer. So I'm super grateful for this space. And I don't want to drag out this video any longer than it has to be. So if you enjoyed this video today and enjoyed the apartment tour, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I have so many other new video ideas on the way. It's an exciting time for this channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family as we are continuously growing. Thank you so much for the continuous growth and support. And you know what I always say, make sure to always believe that you will achieve. My name is Miles, and I am signing off. Woo!